So today's class we are going to discuss about Lissajous figure. So how we can get Lissajous figure. For that I am going to construct this circuit with two functional generators, because the main need for getting Lissajous figure is two kind of waves. So when the two waves are superimposed with each other, that is according to the simple harmonic oscillations, so they are having the same frequency at a particular point, they are having the same frequency and they are having some phase changes. So how we can obtain that kind of figures by using these function generator, I will explain. So the main device for this experiment is CRO. So when you are going to start up with any kind of experiment with CRO, you should make some initial adjustment. So either X input or Y input, you have to insert this probe. So and also you have to insert this positive terminal to this terminal, and you have to adjust this in order to get the square wave. So if you are using CRO in any experiment, you have to make some initial adjustment by using this time per division and volts per division adjustments. So definitely you have to provide, that is, you have to fit this probe in that Y input or X input, and that the positive terminal is connected to here. Then if you are adjusting these volts and division and time per division terminals, you can obtain the proper square wave. So this is the initial adjustments you have to make on CRO. In order to produce Lissajous figure, here two function generator used. Okay, so the output of the first function generator is connected to the input of the CRO, and also from the second function generator the output is connected to the another one input of the CRO. So now we can see the Lissajous figure, that is, two waves are simultaneously superimposed with each other with same frequency. So we can change the frequency range. We have to keep constant one function generator, that is, we are applying two different frequencies, that is, two different waves to the CRO. They are superimposing with each other. So we have to keep constant one function generator, and we have to keep varying here. So if you are varying this, so we can get these kind of, that is, they are not having same frequency, means they are oscillating. So we can get three kind of phases, whatever it is. If you want, you can change accordingly. So if you want to single curve, means you have to give the different frequency range. This so if you are changing here, means the horizontal component only changed, because it is horizontally connected to that CRO. But if you are changing here, means it is vertically changed. So if you are changing the frequency of any one, you can get these figure. This is one of the kind of Lissajous figure, that is, two of the waves are having same frequency. So you can adjust this course button to get the complete figure. So now we can see how it is rotating. So it is very attracting to see. So in this way you can see Lissajous figure. You can give multiple frequency range, and you can superimpose two waves, and you can get this Lissajous figure by using these function generator as well as CRO. Thank you so much.